Okay, so I just got 2 sub 1s. My first sub 1 minutes, off camera. And I'm really hoping that I can get another one. Maybe even a PB. So I'm just gonna scramble for a bit. Okay, that should be good. Okay. So move you over. Okay. No, I'm not tapped in. No. Oh, so close, man. I would have gotten like a 58 second, or like a 57-second time. That would have been crazy. Hello? That would have been insane. But, you know. Oh, God, so close, man. At least I've already got a sub 1, so it doesn't hurt as much, because if that was my PB, it would have really hurt to know that I failed the cross at the start, and if I did it, I would have got a sub 1 when I hadn't gotten it before. But now it's just like, yeah, it happens, I guess. But I just gotta remember next time to not be stupid. Okay, you're orange, you're in the right spot. It can be moved up. Blue can be moved over there, and red. Okay. Okay. Shit, I did that slowly, man. Then you. What the fuck? Hello? I just got a 48-second time? Hello? What? Dude, I would have gotten like a 46 if I didn't fuck up the last turns, but like, what? Hello? I just got a... What? Dude, I'm so glad I got that on recording. Hello? What? Dude, let's go. What? Dude, my first sub 50. Dude, that's crazy, man. I would have gotten like a 46, 45 if I didn't, like, if I got the, but I don't care. I got a 48. Like, hello? What? Excuse me? Alrighty then. Dude, that's crazy, man. Okay. Well, I guess that's going on the YouTube channel. Hello people. What the fuck? Alright. Well then. Well, thanks for watching, I guess. What? What? Exactly 50 seconds. What the hell? Dude, that's funny. What? Dude.